What's good, wealth builders? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon, put in work, Burke. And today we're talking about how to start a home-based baking business the wealth builder's way. Let's go.
To say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's a basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.
Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we talk about making more money, saving more money, building a better you and business. So without further ado, let's get to the topic on hand. How to start a home-based baking business the wealth builder's way. Alright, so first and foremost, I hope you love baking cookies, cakes, or some type of treats. This is the number one ingredient in starting this type of business. So now that we know you love it, let's make it into a business, right? Alright, so you need to find one baked good that you know is the one that everyone loves. And you get most of your compliments on. Like, if you know your baked muffins are a hit and you make those from scratch, then this is what you focus on selling. So, you got to figure that part out. So, now that you figured out what type of baked goods you're going to hang your hat on, you want to set up your business correctly. You know what I mean? So, number one, go to irs.gov and get your EIN number. Number two, go to LegalZoom and get your LLC set up. Number three, go to HostGator and get a domain name set up. Number four, buy a hosting package for your website. Number five, get social around your business, i.e. start a YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and a Pinterest account, even a Twitter too. Once you complete these tasks, you're ready to start. Alright, so next up, purchase separate cooking equipment and supplies. This is probably a requirement in your state, but also helpful in keeping your personal and business separate, including the expenses for home-based business tax purposes. Number two, create YouTube videos to market your business. YouTube is the easiest way to market your business to start because you can easily build your following and community around YouTube. All right, you can easily make videos of you cooking your favorite baked goods or even dishes, and you can sell your baked goods at the end of the videos. This is a free way to start building your business. You can then take a short version of these videos and place them on sites like Instagram and Twitter. This will help you build your brand on 3 different platforms while making sales on your products. But if you want to expand your home-based baking business and turn it into something more of a streamlined business, right? You can easily rent a commercial kitchen, hire someone to do the baking for you, and you can start doing some local advertising and get your products in some local mom and pop stores to get your feet wet with the retail side of selling baked goods. And you can also do direct ship to customers in your local area like DoorDash, while simultaneously selling online. This can be a great business to build, especially if you have a love and passion for baking. As we established earlier in this business, this is the mindset you need. And if you need a small business loan that you can easily qualify for, click the link below. All right, the first link, check it out. All right, this will be an awesome add-on to help you get you started on your journey to building a home-based baking business. All right, and you don't have to be in business for a long period of time to even get a loan. So if you really need a loan or you want one, click that link below and check it out. Thanks for watching. It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon, put in work, Burke, signing off for how to start a home-based baking business. Do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more.
Say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my